In this tutorial video we will show you how to check the status of a ticket. Go to NPSC Helpdesk and navigate to check ticket status. Enter the email ID which was used to open or create the ticket, and enter the ticket number. If you do not know the ticket number, then you can check the ticket number in the email inbox. After entering the email ID and ticket number, click on View Ticket Status. Once the details are validated, it will redirect you to the result with the details of the ticket. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.